Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Dan, and today I'm at New York. I say today, at night time. I've been wanting to do this one, have a wee look about, so follow me and we'll see what we've got. So it's a casino. I don't think I'm allowed to film in the casino, but I'll just walk quickly right through it. I'm just going to walk right down from here to see. I'm doing this as quick as I can so nobody stops me with the camera. But my camera's on a wee kind of gimbal thing, so it's quite distinctive. Quite big. I'll just show you. There's Hershey's chocolate roll. I'm not a big fan of chocolate. It's a chocolate bar. Kind of sports thing. Let's see. I think this is just a food court. Well, maybe I'll walk along here. Crepes, pizza. We are going to New York at some point, so well, just under a week we'll be there. It reminds me, there's a place in Dundee, well there used to be a place in Dundee called Outside In, and it was like a restaurant inside, it was like a forest and stuff inside. This is like New York inside, it's pretty cool. A burger bar. Sorry, I've not really been talking much, I'm a wee bit impressed. Well, that was a kind of food court. There's a lot to try. A fish and chip shop. Ham chowder, calamari, fish and chips, jumbo shrimp. Well, as I said in the previous video, I'm going to try the clam chowder in San Francisco. And I just realised I've not got my mic on. So I don't know how good the audio quality is going to be. Apologies. But I'm with other people, so I can't really spend a lot of time going through these like second time, so it's quite late tonight, it's about 11 PM, so I'm just going to show you upstairs, see what's there. I'll just turn it to myself while we're on the escalator. I have to say, I'm really impressed by Vegas, I really like it. Not sure if I said, hope you like my new hat. We are going to go to the Grand Canyon tomorrow, but we left it too late, so we're just like, I think we're just a bit too ill prepared. We thought we could kind of just get one, but we could do the other things. Let's another food hall up here. Let's see. Surely there must be more to it than this. Let's see what's down here. This is just off food courts. I don't know, I'm quite disappointed here. Let's see what else there is. That was New York, not disappointed, but I thought there'd be more to it. Well, for my next video, I think there's only one thing I can really do here. And I'll just show you. Excalibur. I don't know if you can see that there. Aye. I'm going to go and do Excalibur. Well, that only took just over 10 minutes to walk about there. Disappointed. If that's all there is, I'm disappointed. There must be more to it than that, surely. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.